Alright, real talk for a second. What if I told you some of the craziest cinematic drone shots you've been seeing lately weren't shot on expensive professional drones? No $1,000 setups, no heavy gear, nothing complicated, just something small, simple, and honestly, kind of underrated. Sounds hard to believe, right? But here's the truth. Most people are overpaying for drones without even realizing it. They think better footage only comes from bigger, more expensive gear, when in reality, that's not always the case. And that's exactly what we're breaking down today. Welcome back, and today we're taking a real, no-nonsense look at the DJI Mini 4K, a drone that looks basic on paper, but once you actually fly it, it might completely change how you see budget drones. Now, before you even think about buying your next drone, you might want to watch this till the end, because there's something about this camera that most people completely ignore, and it can actually make a huge difference in your footage. So let's start from the top. First impression, this thing is small, like really small. The kind of small where you can just fold it, toss it in your bag, and not even think twice about carrying it around, and that right there already changes how often you'll actually use it. Because let's be honest, if a drone is big and annoying to carry, you're not taking it everywhere. But this, you will. And here's where it gets even better. It's under 250 grams. That means in a lot of places, you don't even need to register it. No extra hassle, no paperwork, just take it out and fly. That alone makes it super beginner friendly. But let's get into the real question. Is the camera actually worth it? Because at the end of the day, that's what really matters. And surprisingly, yeah, it is. This drone shoots real 4K video. Not fake 4K, not stretched resolution, actual sharp footage that holds up when you watch it on a bigger screen. And in good lighting, it looks clean. Colors aren't overdone, they look natural, which honestly makes your footage feel more professional without you even trying. And here's something a lot of people overlook, stabilization. Because anyone can shoot 4K, but if your footage is shaky, it's useless. This drone has a 3-axis gimbal, which basically keeps your shot smooth no matter what. So even if there's a bit of wind, or you're moving around, your footage still comes out looking steady. Like that smooth cinematic look people actually want. Now in the next part, I'm about to show you something about this camera that most people have never even noticed. And once you see it, you'll understand why this drone is actually underrated. But before that, let's talk about real-world performance. Because specs are one thing, but how it actually flies is a different story. And honestly, for a drone this size, it does a solid job. You'd expect it to struggle in wind, but it holds its position pretty well. It's not meant for extreme conditions, but for everyday flying, it feels stable, controlled, and predictable. Which is exactly what you want, especially if you're a beginner. Now let's talk about flight time, because this is where a lot of drones disappoint. But here, you're getting close to 30 minutes, and that's a big deal, because instead of rushing every shot, you actually have time to think, adjust, and capture better footage. And then there's the connection. This is where DJI always stands out. The signal stays strong, the live video feed is smooth, and you're not dealing with random cutoffs or lag. It just works the way it's supposed to. Now, if you've never flown a drone before, listen closely. This might be one of the easiest drones you can start with. Takeoff, one tap. Landing, one tap. The app literally walks you through everything. You don't need experience, you don't need training, you just start flying. And within minutes, you're getting shots that look way better than you expected. Quick pause. If you're enjoying this, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me what you want to see next. All right, back to it. Let's be honest though, no drone is perfect. There's no obstacle avoidance here. So yeah, you need to actually pay attention while flying. And low light performance? It's decent, but this drone really shines in daylight. But considering the price, that's not even a deal breaker, because what you're getting here is insane value. A trusted DJI drone, real 4K camera, smooth, stabilized footage, solid battery life, and beginner-friendly controls, all packed into something that fits in your bag. So who is this really for? If you're just getting started, this is perfect. If you're creating content for YouTube, travel, or social media, this is more than enough. And if you just want something fun that also delivers great footage, This is an easy choice. So here's the bottom line. Small, powerful, and absolutely worth it. That's the DJI Mini 4K. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.